The 2025 Peugeot Rifter is set to make waves in the compact MPV segment with its unique blend of practicality, style, and advanced technology. As a vehicle designed to cater to both families and professionals, the Rifter seamlessly combines versatility with modern comfort, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a reliable yet sophisticated ride. Design and exterior. The 2025 Peugeot Rifter features a robust and dynamic design that exudes confidence on the road. Its bold front grille, accentuated by Peugeot's signature lion emblem, gives the vehicle a commanding presence. The high ground clearance, along with protective body cladding, adds to the Rifter's rugged appeal, making it capable of tackling both urban streets and off-road paths with ease. The Rifter is also equipped with LED daytime running lights and alloy wheels, further enhancing its modern aesthetic. Interior and comfort step inside the Rifter, and you'll be greeted by a spacious and versatile interior that is perfect for both daily commutes and long journeys. The cabin is designed to offer maximum comfort with ergonomic seats and high-quality materials throughout. The 2025 Rifter can accommodate up to 7 passengers, with the option to configure the seating to suit your needs, thanks to the foldable and removable seats in the rear. The large windows and panoramic sunroof flood the cabin with natural light, creating an airy and open atmosphere. Technology and features. Peugeot has equipped the 2025 Rifter with a host of modern technologies to enhance your driving experience. The iCockpit registered trademark with a compact steering wheel and a high-position 10-inch touchscreen provides easy access to essential controls and navigation. The Rifter also includes advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Performance and engine options. Under the hood, the 2025 Peugeot Rifter offers a range of efficient engine options to suit various driving preferences. Whether you opt for the petrol, diesel, or the all-electric variant, the Rifter promises a smooth and responsive drive. The electric model in particular boasts an impressive range, making it a practical choice for eco-conscious drivers. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Peugeot Rifter is expected to be competitively priced, starting at around £24,000 for the base model. The price can vary depending on the trim level and additional features chosen. Given its extensive list of standard equipment and the flexibility it offers, the Rifter represents excellent value for money in the compact MPV market. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Peugeot Rifter is more than just a vehicle. It's a versatile companion for modern life. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or exploring the countryside, the Rifter's blend of practicality, style, and cutting-edge technology makes it a standout choice. With its competitive pricing and comprehensive feature set, the 2025 Rifter is poised to be a favorite among drivers who demand more from their vehicles.